Hi, I'm Charlene and this is a tutorial on how to make this Dreamcatcher. Let's begin with the supplies we'll need. We're going to use one embroidery hoop, yarn, washi tape, a needle, but this may not be necessary depending on what you use to decorate, scissors, and to decorate my Dreamcatcher, I'm going to be using feathers, beads, felt balls, and tassels. For the first step, we're going to need the embroidery hoop, washi tape, and scissors. Now, we're going to wrap the entire embroidery hoop with pieces of washi tape. I'm going to be using one pattern of washi tape, but you could use as many as you like. And this is how my embroidery hoop turned out. On top of the washi tape, I also used clear packaging tape for extra support. For our next step, we're going to use our embroidery hoop, yarn, and scissors. We are going to cut a long piece of yarn that is going to be used for the web part of the Dreamcatcher. To start, we are going to take one end of the yarn and secure it like this. After, wrap the yarn across the hoop continuously on different sides until you are satisfied with the design.
It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day.
Once you have finished, cut the yarn and wrap the remaining piece around the hoop. You can secure the yarn by taping it or tucking it in.
Just like day by day, like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October, it feels like summertime.
Now it's time to decorate the bottom part of the hoop.
Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds.
We are going to use a piece of yarn to dangle each decoration. Here, I used the needle to tie a piece of yarn to the tassel. Later in the video, you can also see me using the needle to put the yarn through the felt balls.
Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day, like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds.
I attached each decoration by simply tying the yarn to the hoop and cutting off the excess yarn. You can have fun and be creative with these decorations. you know what the web, feathers, and beads mean on a dream catcher?
Kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know.
The web catches the dreams and destroys them during the day. The feathers help the good dreams get to the sleeping person, and the beads could represent either the spider or the good dreams that couldn't get to the sleeper.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die.
And here's my finished dream catcher. Make sure you hang your dream catcher in your room so that it could protect you from your nightmares while you sleep at night. Thanks for watching, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Bye!